Okay, students, you note it down. Together you write all the formulas and you learn by heart. Okay, so you note it down in your class copy. Okay. Now we will solve the exercise 2.5. So from number 1, question number 1 to how can we solve this? It is written that using suitable identities to find the following products. Using suitable identities, find the following product. Okay. Find the following product. So now number 2 is given as x plus 8 into x minus 10. Okay, x plus 8 into x minus 10. So here we have the identity like x plus a into x plus b is equal to x square plus a plus b x plus a into b. This is the identity that we are going to use here. Okay, so here in place of a we have 8 and in place of b we have minus 10. Okay, minus 10. So now x plus 8 into x minus 10 can be written as x plus 8 into x plus minus 10. That is why the value of a is 8 and the value of b is minus 10. Okay. Okay, let me write it first here. So x plus 8 into x minus 10 can be written as x plus 8 into, give a second bracket, x plus minus 10. So here a will be equal to 8 and b is equal to minus 10. So the formula is that x plus 8 into x minus 10 will be equal to x square plus a plus b. Here a plus b means 8 plus minus 10. A plus b. B is minus 10, not 10. B is minus 10. So a plus b into x plus a into b. Okay. So now x square plus, here it will be 8 plus into minus 10 into x plus 8 into minus 10. So it will be minus 80. So x square minus 2x minus 80. So this is the product of the two terms, x plus 8 and x minus 10. So the answer is x square minus 2x minus 80. Okay, students. So in the next we'll solve another problem. Suppose 1 3. It is also similar. 1 3. 1 3. So 1 3 is how much? Thrice x plus 4. Thrice x plus 4 into thrice x minus 5. Thrice x minus 5. Okay. So here thrice x plus 4 into thrice x minus 5 you can write as, see here you have in place of x, that means in place of x you have thrice x, so write here thrice x square plus a plus b. A plus b is 4 and minus 5, so a is 4 and b is, here a is equal to 4 and b is equal to minus 5. Okay, so 4 minus 5 x plus 4 ab, 4 into, sorry, here it will be minus 5. Okay, so 4 into minus 5. So how much we get? 9x square, thrice x square, thrice, see here, thrice x whole square, therefore it is 3 square is 9 and x square, so 9x square plus 4 plus into minus 5x plus 4 5 that 20. Okay, so 9x square minus x plus into minus 20. So this is the product, or this is the answer, 9x square minus x minus 20. Okay, now we will try another one, that is 1/4. 1/4, that is, it is telling that y square plus 3/2 and y square minus 3/2. Here we will use the formula a plus b into a minus b. A minus b is equal to a square minus b square. Okay, so here in place of a we have y square and in place of b we have 3/2. So here y square, you see here a square, that means what? The value of a is, let me write it specifically. So here the value of a is y square and the value of b is 3/2. So here what is the identity or the formula is telling? A plus b into a minus b is a square. So the value of a is equal to y square. So the value of a square will be y square whole square, isn't it? Y square whole square. So you can write here y square plus 3/2, y square minus 3/2 is equal to y square whole square. Okay, y square whole square minus what is the value of b? 3/2. 3/2 whole square. Okay, so now y square to the power square means 2 into 2 4 minus 3 3 is 9/4. So this is the answer. This is the result of the product of these two terms. Okay, y to the power 4 minus 9/4. So you have seen that by using the formulas or identities, how it has become easy to solve the problems, to find the products of these two terms. Okay, so this is all about the this is all about this one, this question answers. So you have to learn by heart the identities, and you have to know the how to use them. How to use them you have to know, so that you can, for that you have to practice a lot. Okay, so algebra is nothing but practice. So in the next video we will continue with the rest of the problems of the exercise 2.5. Okay, students, thank you. If you have any doubt you can tell me. Okay.